Hello everyone, good morning, and we're here again. But today we're gonna have a different video. It's not gonna be a hiking video, but it will be somewhat like a tennis video again, because I need to have a new pair of shoes. So I just got a new pair at this certain shop where I usually go. And if you guys can visit here in Hong Kong, and I suggest you to visit this shop and then just let them know that we're friends, and I recommended you guys to this shop. So anyway, let's go and get my shoes, and let's see how it looks. And hello, maybe can I get the shoes? I'll try to use it now. So this is the shop, guys. So they got some shirts, and this shop is really for tennis, but they got also for badminton and some other stuff running the front shop. But anyway, these are the rackets that they sell, and yeah, and that's my baby over there. That's Sonic Tour. Yeah, and come on, let's check out the shoes that we have. I really wanted this one, but it's a bit they're out of stock already. So guess what, we have this shoe for unboxing. Look, that's what you reserved for me. Thank you, Bibi, for holding it for me. Okay, because I have 11 half size UK, but US size US 12. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Okay. Ooh. There you go. So we got Adizero Uber Sonic. Anyway, we'll try this one now because I'm going to wear it now for my lesson at 11. Anyway, it's already 10:50. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, baby, can you take it out, please? Not the shoelace. Thank you. And how about the other one? The left part still here. And this is basically for hard court. But if this is like a lot deeper, then it can be for clay court. But anyway, this is for hard court. And yes, Adidas. And that's how it looks. And I'll give you a review how it feels. But anyway, I love the Obersonic shoes. This used to be the Feather for Adidas. And let's see how it goes. Nationals this
When?
I think April. April, yeah.
In Victoria Park?
Yes, Victoria Park. Yeah. So that's why I need to start using them. The shoes.
Oh,
I have to get used to it.
You play really often, so how long it will last?
It depends. Like if I play a lot,
Yeah.
practice a lot of running.
Yeah.
A lot of running. 2 months. Around 2 months, but just coaching, it's half a year or.
Yeah, coaching, okay.
Coaching is fine. Yeah. But it's
Okay.
fine.
See you.
See you, bye. Thank you. Feels good, huh? good. Don't know shoes coming even. Still in April. Next month. This is really good. Let's see some now. Okay, Vivi, thank you so much. This feels really good. And then, very good. YouTuber, now just for fun lah. So much, and then I'll see you next time. I'll see you next. Okay, bye. There. And grips. And this is the classic pro shop. Here. Bye, bye, bye. It's kind of weird. I don't know. Maybe it's long or something. Anyway, I'll be checking the shoes afterwards because I feel like it's big or something. Anyway, let me check. Anyway, I just rechecked it. It's the right size, but it's feels weird. It feels big compared to my previous Ubersonic. So yeah, let's head to Victoria Park and have our lesson at 11. On the right, this is the main entrance for this is where the spectators go, and the tennis court should be straight ahead over there, and that's the center court over there. So this is the booking office, and that's where we sign in our courts. And let's go. Let's sign our courts first. Okay, thank you. Oh, thank you. Baho. Oh, thank you. Oh, just live here. So, for the protocols now, we have to scan this one first before we can enter. So after scanning there, you have to pass here. Hello, it's me again. Yeah, and then there. Okay. Hey, Hector. Yeah. Anyway, someone just called me and we got some new stuff in the mail. So it will be a surprise if what it is. But anyway, I'm so excited for this one. I've been looking for this thing for a long time. Anyway, Let's see how it goes, and let's open it together. Hello. Is there a new mail? No. Oh, maybe the other side. Thank you. Oh no, it's not there. We'll try it at the other side. Maybe it's there. Oh my god, it's not here too. Oh, here. Oh yeah, this one?
Oh, hello.
Kennex.
Yes, 4K.
4K, yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye. Woohoo. What could this be? Let's go. Okay, so let's open this thing. And let's see how it goes. Who's excited for this? Am I the only one who's excited for this? Am I the only one who's excited for this? Okay, after the shoes, damn! Look at that. Damn! Oh, damn! Very good. Very nice. For this box. Now I got a new cap. RF. Yeah. To all the Roger fans out there. Hello, hello. What is this? Oh, support. Para dili maguba ang form. Para dili maguba ang form sa forehand. Very good. Yes, yes, yes. Yo, yo, yo. Good job. I've been waiting for this, and now it's already here. Look at that, guys. RF Uniqlo. Wow. There. Hey, we'll go.